During the pandemic, we've all become very used to applying sanitiser when we can't wash our hands, but there's a good chance you've been using it wrong all this time. I've been speaking with Dr. Manal Mohammed, lecturer of medical microbiology at the University of Westminster, to find out the most common hand sanitiser mistakes you need to avoid. The correct hand sanitiser to use comes down to the type of virus you're trying to kill. COVID-19 has what's known as an envelope protein.
It's an outer layer of the virus, which is vital for the virus survival and multiplication. So the alcohol can attack this layer and destroy the virus.
The evidence for non-alcoholic sanitisers is much more varied, so experts agree that one with 60 to 90% alcohol content is your best bet. But our independent lab tests show that some sanitisers sold online don't contain the alcohol they claim to, with as little as 7% in some of the worst examples. So to be safe, shop for well-known brands. And to stay up to date with our latest testing and advice, click the link at the top of the screen to sign up to our free Buy Smart newsletter. As you'll have heard many times now, touch any surface that could be contaminated and you need to apply sanitiser. When used properly, which we'll get onto next, the virus should be killed, but it won't protect you against any future interactions. Then you'll need to reapply. If you haven't touched anything, you don't need to use hand sanitiser. And this is important as using it too often can harm your skin's microbiome or good bacteria.
These are not only bacteria, they are billions of germs, including bacteria, virus, fungi, and they actually contribute to our health. Using the hand sanitizer can disturb the balance of the good bacteria or good germs on our skin and facilitate the entry of bad pathogens to our body.
As you'd expect, you need enough sanitiser to cover the full surface area of your hands, not forgetting your wrists and nails. Though perhaps lesser known is that you should rub it in for at least 20 to 30 seconds, or most importantly, until your hands are dry. This is key because to kill germs, hand sanitiser needs to dry. It's from this point that you're protected and ready to go. For more advice on hand sanitisers and our latest testing, as well as loads more consumer topics, click the link on screen to sign up to our free Buy Smart newsletter. Check out the video below to find out the best and worst face masks, and for more videos like this, subscribe to the Which YouTube channel.